Very, very excited. Oh my God. So yeah, I'll go blank for a while. That I'm sure because Salman Khan. If it's hurting me to the point where I can't control myself, then I'll react, and it's gonna be bad. There are some words people used to say before. It was Momo and Chow Chow. When Corona came, it became Corona. Obviously, we look different. It might come across as like whatever, we're not from this country, but we are, and it's their fault not knowing about their own country. The motive is people now would know more about me, and they will be curious about who is this girl, where does she come from, look more into it, and they'll know about my beautiful state, my beautiful region. Make a difference, create a difference between us and rest of India. I'm not talking in that sense, but I have worked with the biggest names in the industry, like Alia Bhatt, Bhumi Pednekar, Rajkumar Rao, Shiva Chadda. They are superstars because
Are you open to fall in love in Bigg Boss house?
I don't want a relationship. Like I'm अभी जाके आगे जाके उल्टा कुछ हो गया तो
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble. I am Akriti Bagla and today I am with Chum Darang, who is all set to enter Bigg Boss 18 house. Hi Chum, hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble.
Hi, thank you so much for having me.
Well, is this the first time you have been offered the show or it has been offered to you multiple times?
Yeah, like
before?
first time.
And you have said an instant yes to it?
Instant yes, because I also had a motive back of my head.
Yeah.
So, yeah, the motive is people now would know more about me, and they will be curious about who is this girl,
Yeah.
where is she, like where does she come from,
Yeah.
and then they'll look more into it, and they'll know about my beautiful state, my beautiful region.
Yeah.
So that is one of the main reasons why I wanted to participate, for the world to know
Yeah.
where I come from.
Yeah, so basically you're here to showcase how beautiful Arunachal Pradesh
Yes.
is and basically the people from there.
Mhm.
But why do you think that is the need of the hour for you right now?
It is because still to this day I get I get asked questions like where is Arunachal? So
Yeah.
that is something like it is something very sensitive, and I need I think people should learn. It's like high time. So this is one of the learning things that I'm putting it out to the world.
Do you also think people should be sensitive towards the state's people as well? I mean, when you entered the industry, did you face difficulty because you came from a state that was basically not known to much people?
This is actually actually sensitive because and also it's a very new thing for us also. I'm not trying to make a difference, create a difference between us and rest of India. I'm not talking
Yeah.
in that sense, but it is necessary to people, for people to understand, because see, if I can know north mein kya hai, south mein kya hai,
Yeah.
west mein kya hai, so others should also, I think, know about east mein kya hai na?
Yeah.
So that
But what are some of the comments you have heard?
okay, so yeah, there are some words people used to say.
Demean.
Like to demean us, because obviously we look different.
Yeah.
It might come across as like whatever, we're not from this country,
Yeah.
but we are, and it's their fault not knowing about their own country. And
Definitely.
names तो बहुत सारा है. I don't want to take names, but उसके बाद when Corona came in 2020, ठीक है, I'll just say it. So before it was Momo and Chow Chow.
Yeah.
When Corona came, it became Corona. So that was something really hurtful.
Definitely.
And I would not do something like that to
Yeah.
some other person. I would not that.
But
do that.
still, you stayed strong, or
Yeah.
it was like a breakdown for you? To your
I did break down at times, but again, being strong is something that a lot of people can't do. I do break down, but I do it where I'm comfortable.
Yeah.
I portray as like myself as a very strong person, but सब तो थोड़ा emotional होता है ना, and that's why I'm here, I think, and that's why I'm using this opportunity, because Bigg Boss is a very big show.
Yeah.
That's why I'm using this platform to show the world more about
Yeah.
us.
But do you feel things changed about you post Badhai though? Because the role you portrayed, the character you portrayed was so strong that it is still remembered by people.
Yeah, it did change something, but I think more has to change, and I
Yeah.
think it's happening gradually.
Yeah.
And things are changing, so I'm happy.
But have you seen past seasons of Bigg Boss?
Not really. I have not watched the entire thing, but when I googled what's
Yeah.
the best episode to watch,
Yeah.
season to watch, so 13 came, and I watched
Yeah.
a few clips from season 13.
So how are you planning to like survive there? Because I am sure you have watched the season that was mentally tough to survive.
Yeah. So yeah, it's going to be a challenge for sure. But what I'm planning, I won't say planning, but I'm just thinking कि I'll keep my calm and just be myself, not pretend to be something else that I'm not.
Yeah.
I think that will take me far.
Well, which household duty are you prepared to do and something you are not prepared to do there?
See, again, it's a task, right? Like the house leader decides,
Yeah.
right? What task to give to the contestants. So I think that will depend. But whatever they give, I think like I'll try and perform
Yeah.
well. It is going to be tough and challenging, but I'm here for it.
But are you someone who controls aggression, or you are like, okay, if something is triggering me, I'll maybe react to it?
I think depends on what, like what the situation is.
Yeah.
If it's really irritating me, if it's hurting me to the point where I can't control myself, then I'll react, and it's going to be bad. But I'll try and keep myself calm as much as possible. But if the situation is such, then I don't know.
What do you feel about this trend of influencers also coming to the show? And you know, I don't know whether you have seen this or no. Over the past few years, there has been this debate. Okay, TV actors versus influencers going in the house. How do you react to it?
To be honest, I don't think I'm somebody that is like, I'm not the right person to comment on that, because makers ने कुछ सोच के ही किया होगा. So I
Yeah.
think it's their job to comment on that. I have no clue.
Are you excited to meet Salman Khan, the host of the
Very,
show?
very, very excited. Oh my God. I've seen him on TV,
Yeah.
and to see him in person, to meet
Yeah.
him, to be able to have a conversation with him, I think that is like something very exciting for me.
Yeah.
I might faint. Just kidding. So yeah, I'll go blank for a while. That I'm sure, because
Yeah.
Salman Khan.
But you know, Big Boss is a house where you know need to make certain friendships to survive, and there are also possibility you tend to fall in love there. Are you open to fall in love in Big Boss house?
So yeah, other things I'm not sure of, but one thing I'm very sure about is I don't want a relationship. Like I'm happy single.
Single.
So relationship, it's a big no.
Yeah.
So let's see. Friendships, I'm like I'll make friends, a lot of friends,
Yeah.
but no relationships. अभी जाके आगे जाके उल्टा कुछ हो गया तो I hope
You
not,
never
but
know.
you never know. But like this is I'm sure I don't want a relationship.
Definitely.
Yeah.
You know, if I talk about your career also overall, even after Gangubai, if I ask you, do you feel maybe the right offers didn't came to you, like for films, because you were not seen much on screen?
Yeah. There are some few things that I'm working on, Abhi. So things take time, you know, and I do look different, and I think people are starting to write more about us also, because I won't fit in a Punjabi character. Like I won't be able to play a Punjabi girl, right? But I might if it's like if I'm adopted or something. But it's a bit complicated right now. But I think things are changing. Abhi hone wala hai, and it is happening.
Yeah.
Like, you'll see more of me next year.
But you know, both the films you did, they were both ensembles cast, right? How did the actors or your co-stars bonded with you?
So see, I have worked with the biggest names in the
Yeah.
industry, like Alia Bhatt,
Bhumi
Bhumi
Pednekar,
Pednekar, Rajkumar Rao, Shiva Chadda. Like,
Yeah.
so I think they are superstars because of how they are. They are amazing. They're amazing actors, but they're amazing human beings also. And that's very important, you know, to not forget who you are as a person.
Yeah.
I think that is and somebody like me who was never part of this like industry, to having to work with them, to getting that opportunity is a big deal.
Yeah.
Like I'm from Arunachal, and I don't think nobody from Arunachal, like I think abhi when things are written for Northeasterns,
Yeah.
it comes to me also, like me
Definitely,
first,
it's
because limited. So I want more people from Northeast to come and be a part of this industry, and I'm spearheading this, and I'm really proud that
Yeah.
I'm doing this. I've started this, and people will come more. They'll follow my footsteps, and they'll be a part.
Yeah.
I'm happy to be the
But
first.
when you were, you know, doing these beauty pageants, that time only you decided, okay, I have to maybe be in the showbiz world. or that was just a chance you were taking?
Not really. So beauty pageants also happen because I'm somewhat competitive, okay?
Yeah.
So people tend to not know the difference between models and beauty queens. So there's a difference. Beauty pageants, may there are like question and answers and things like that. So I was really drawn to that. And I was a part, but acting, I never thought. Bachpan mein maybe I did think about it, but I never thought I will become an actor because to say it out loud, people would laugh.
Yeah.
Because I come from a very small town, you know. अगर उसमें बचपन में growing up, if I would tell somebody कि हाँ मुझे actor बनना है, they would have laughed, like laughed. So that was something which happened as organically. I tried, but I didn't put my heart and soul into it. But things are happening for me, and I'm really thankful, grateful. Things are happening the way that are happening, and yeah, I'm like blessed.
To wrap this up, I just want to know, is there any strategy you're planning to survive there, or is there any nervousness, anxiety, because there's just 2 days left that you're going to enter the show? So how are the emotions right now?
So I was telling the other people also that nervousness 100, excitement like a bit less, because it's a mix of both, you know.
Yeah.
Like to do, and this is something new that I'm doing. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know how I will be there, because अंदर कुछ नहीं है. It's just me and strangers, other
Strangers,
people, strangers, literally strangers. So it's going to be tough, but I just am planning to keep my calm and be myself, not try and be somebody who I am not.
Yeah.
That is the only thing, the mind frame that I'm taking in with me.
Well, all the best for your journey.
Thank
and
you.
we're really looking forward. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Hi, my name is Chum Darang and you are watching me on Bollywood Bubble.